Hello guys, welcome to another food vlog, and today we are going to prepare some broccoli with beef. And here is our ingredients. We have some tomatoes, garlic, hoho, carrots, and of course onions. So here we have already boiled our beef, so we are going to fry them, then we are going to prepare boiled rice. So let's get to the video. First of all, we are going to fry the beef with the broccoli. So let's get to cooking. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are in road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes. So our meat has finished the water. So what we are going to do, I'm going to add some cooking oil. So I'm going to add in some garlic. Followed by my onions. Let me leave my onions to cook first for a while. So we are going to add our carrots. And our hoho at the same time. Then we add our tomatoes. Then we are going to cover and let our tomatoes cook for a while. Here is where we add our broccoli. Broccoli. So here is where I'm going to allow my broccoli to cook for a while. I think our stew is ready. So our stew is ready. So we are going to now boil our rice. Since we are boiling 1 glass of rice, we are going to need 2 glasses of water. So this is 2 glasses of water. Then I'm putting some cooking oil, and some salt to taste. So let's leave our water to boil. Guys, this is the end result. Some beef and rice, boiled rice, and broccoli, fried broccoli with beef. So this is the end results. Thank you for watching until this end. See you on the next one. Bye.